What's up guys, it's Shib. Today's video, we're going to be looking at keyword research for roofing contractors. I've helped rank over 160 sites in my career for contractors. So we're going to be showing you a very straightforward way on how to get keywords. First of all, you go to Keyword Planner. Anybody with a free Gmail account can check this out. And once you're there, you just type in roofing and then your city. In this instance, I'm going to use Dallas as an example. This is going to then let us know the terms that people are searching that are related to roofing Dallas. So you can see you can get 1,000 to 10,000 people in that range every single month who are searching roofing Dallas when they're looking for roofers. Many people type in roofing companies Dallas, roof repair, roofing contractors, best roofing companies in Dallas, and the list goes on. This is pretty much what you can take to the bank. In any local market, if you're located in a decent sized city, by decent I mean 100,000 population and above, you're going to get most of the main keywords right on the search because most people are going to be at the top, and you can see which ones just have the most volume, right? 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000 is what I would go for. Anything from 10 to 100, I would not look at it as a primary. That's first. Second thing, once you have all those keywords, is we're going to do the same thing, Keyword Planner, but instead this time looking at putting roofing and then Dallas, we're gonna just put roofing, search it, and then tell Google that just show me the people who are searching roofing in Dallas and they're located in Dallas. Although that can sound like the same thing, it's a complete different thing when it comes to Google. It's people in Dallas that are searching roofing in general. What do they type in? Versus people who are typing in things related to roofing and roofing Dallas. So then it's showing you all the terms that have both roofing and Dallas in it, right? Roofers in Dallas, commercial roofing Dallas. It shows you all those terms, but it doesn't show you all the ones that other people are searching that doesn't have the Dallas term. So in this case, you'll find ones that a lot of people just type in roofing, period. No other thing to it. Roofing companies near me, roofers near me, roof repair near me. See, a lot of these are just like the service terms. This is one of the more common ways people now search. Roofers near me, roofing companies near me. Once you have a good idea of this, I mean, not a good idea, you basically just extract this list and you have put together a list of keywords you'll be going for. This is pretty much all that is you need. Most times when companies overcomplicate this part, it's because they cannot rank. They do not have the processes and technical know-how to actually rank for these keywords. Which is why then they start going into much longer term keywords, which is like best roofing company in Dallas, Texas zip code. Although you can use some third-party tools to kind of bend it and make it look like, oh yeah, there's people searching that, 100 of those keywords is not going to be able to match even one of these, because this is by data proven in the public record that there's thousands of these people that are searching for roofing in this way. The question is, do we have the power to get up there? Now that I've said that, I'll add one last part. This is once the campaign has started. Once you're already starting to get some traction, right? You might not be in the top 3 for some of the major terms, but maybe you're in the top 10, top 20, and more importantly, you're getting some calls, right? 5 calls, 10 calls, not a lot, but just starting to take some traction. That's a good time to look at your actual Google My Business listing keyword. This is basically when you come in the profile and you look at what are the people actually typing in who checked us out, right? So in this case, a lot of people typed in roofing companies Dallas, roofing Dallas, roofers Dallas, roof repair Dallas, and the list goes on. These are really good keywords because this is not just what the keyword planner is showing, what generally people search, but these are actually people what they searched and then they came to your specific profile. So if we're able to just optimize for these same keywords that we're already getting hits for, but maybe we're in the top 5, top 10, it's gonna be a lot easier to rank from top 5 to top 3 in the maps where the most improvement comes. See, it's about prioritization. It's not the quantity. It's knowing, okay, these are 10 levers that are already in the top 10. And if we can just pull this lever and get them in the top 3, it's going to have a much bigger effect than randomly going out and getting other keywords that we don't even know if we're going to be, people are even searching. That's it. This is the 3-step process you need to do keyword research for your local business, period.